Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for March 12th to 24th. March 12th to 16th, models and ensembles are good agreement in forecasting a trough here over Alaska or near Alaska, the Aleutians. We have a trough here over the western U.S. and a ridge over the east. Well, actually, it's down over the Gulf and the Caribbean, but above normal heights here in the east. So the models are in good agreement during this period. We're expecting a strong storm system to lift out of the southwest on Tuesday. Here's the system here. And then it will lift northeastward to the Great Lakes by Thursday. Here it is getting tightly wound up. Well, it starts out here 998, pretty strong, and then it gets pretty wound up looks like 982 over the plains, and then it enters the Great Lakes. Now, in this region here, we're going to have heavy snow across the northern plains, and we go back here a little bit. I have some snow in the Rockies too, and then as the system lifts eastward, we're going to have rain and storms here across portions of the east. We're going to have rain from the central and southern plains to the southeast, and there'll be a heavy snow threat across the northern plains. This is the GFS. Then we look at the European ensemble, the European deterministics. I'm going to back this up a little bit. Here's the 540 line. This will be snow back into the Rockies. The European has a stronger 979 millibar low. And then we look at the ensembles. It's similar. It looks like 974. But still a very strong storm here. Surge of Gulf moisture here into the Ohio, Tennessee Valley in the Midwest. And then we look at the Japanese model. Still showing a strong system. And here's the 540 line here. So this will be all snow, and this will be rain and storms. Now we're going to look at the period for March 15th to 19th. And trough is forecast near Alaska, ridge along the west coast. And in the east, and we have a trough in between. You can see here's our ridge, and here's our trough here. We look at the rest of the models, they're pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees. Below normal and above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 55%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Then as we look at the period for March 20th to 24th, we're expecting an eastward progression and amplification of the flow. And then we'll have this ridge here along the west coast and into the west. And we have a trough across east central states. And this pattern is supported by a positive PNA, negative EPO, and a positive NAO. And we have a strong trough, I showed this yesterday, moving through eastern Asia, and could be strong enough to amplify the pattern across the North Pacific, leading to the amplification of the flow here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures here. Probability of occurrence is the forecast anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and for this region. And forecasting low, especially here in the east. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the plains. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for March 12th to 24th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.